Arc Browser versus Dia. Which AI browser should you use? Choosing the right browser can completely change how you experience the web without sacrificing performance. Both browsers offer unique features that cater to different user needs. Arc Browser and Dia are two innovative AI-driven browsers designed to enhance your online experience. The core difference lies in their approach. Arc focuses on a unique interface and productivity tools, while Dia emphasizes privacy and simplicity in browsing. Arc Browser is a modern web browser that reimagines how users interact with the web. It features a sleek, customizable interface that allows users to organize tabs and bookmarks intuitively. Arc integrates productivity tools such as a built-in note-taking feature and seamless collaboration options, making it ideal for professionals and creatives. The browser also offers unique features like Spaces, which lets users group tabs by projects or themes. However, its innovative design may come with a learning curve for traditional browser users. Overall, Arc is perfect for those who value organization and productivity in their browsing experience. Dia is designed with a focus on user privacy and simplicity. It offers a minimalist interface that prioritizes speed and efficiency, making it easy to navigate without distractions. Dia incorporates AI technology to enhance browsing by providing personalized content recommendations and smart search functionalities. Users can enjoy a seamless experience with features like automatic ad blocking and tracking protection, ensuring their online activities remain private. While Dia may lack some of the advanced productivity tools found in Arc, its straightforward approach appeals to users who prefer a no-frills browsing experience. Dia is ideal for those who prioritize privacy and speed over extensive features. When comparing Arc Browser and Dia, consider your browsing habits. If you thrive on organization and productivity, Arc's unique features and collaborative tools will enhance your workflow. For instance, a freelancer managing multiple projects may find Arc Space invaluable for keeping everything organized. On the other hand, if you prioritize privacy and a straightforward experience, Dia's minimalist design and robust privacy features make it an excellent choice. For example, a casual user who values speed and security might prefer Dia for its efficient performance and automatic ad blocking. Ultimately, your choice will depend on whether you need advanced features or a simple private browsing experience. If you seek a feature-rich browsing experience that enhances productivity, Arc Browser is the ideal choice for you. For users who value privacy and a straightforward interface, Dia is the recommended option. Each browser has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs to enhance your online experience.